Can you reel it in? That last cast, if that was you, was great. I mean, it was way out. It was like out there. What about it? Is he allowed to eat it? Yeah, he is. Thank you, Rodney. That's very nice. This is a nice family we met. Rodney and his son Cole and his daughter. What was the daughter's name again? What was her name again? Jordan. This is Jordan. I got it on the video camera, so you don't have to stand still. I don't trust.
Memories.
Exactly.